Hello YouTube, Simple Running coming in for a final update on the plow. It does work. It is fully functional now, and it works awesome. I'm going to put it down on the stool over here so you can get a good view of the plow as it lifts and lowers. So let's see what we can use to give you a good viewing angle here. There we go, this will work. And come on, buddy. There we go. So as you can see, it's not as pretty as it used to be, but it's got a fully functional lifting plow. And let's see if I can get a good piston shot in here. As you can see, it settles a little bit right there. Whole plow settles. I like to keep that steep angle I have right there, so I push down a little more. It fully seats and can lift up the front tires a little bit, but it might be what I get. But let's see how fast you can go. We just gotta find one thing, and then we'll be able to use the new camera mount. We just gotta find the bolt to put the camera on. So bear with me for a moment as I set this up. Going for a walk real quick. Just find this bolt. I know I had it somewhere. I must have left it back over here. It's just a little tiny thing.